notebook and books. Okay? Pagbuan naman ang math kay math so mas lang nga tapos sa English, please keep your notes na. Okay? Now, who can tell me or who can remember what was our topic yesterday? It's all about anyone? Yes, it's all about the types of triangles. Because now that we know the types of triangles, before we proceed to our new topic, did you know that we have a visitor today? No one? Oh. Are you familiar with Dora the Explorer? Yes! Have you been watching? Oh yes! Do you love Dora? Because you love Dora, so today's Dora needs our help in order for them to go back in her home. So kinahanglan ni Dora para makatulog siya sa ilabalay. Kaya kinahanglan niya bumbingta. So here's Dora. So Dora needs our help because he forgot the types of kinds of figures. So in order for her to go back in her home, she needs to find all the missing figures. Can you see the blackboard? This is the missing figures. So she needs our help. So Dora said that it is on your chairs or around the classroom and the missing pieces of figures. Please, let's help Dora. Let's help Dora to find the missing figures. Can we start looking it around the classroom or under your chair? And please, if you already find it, kindly paste it on the blackboard. Understood? Okay, very good. Now let's paste here Dora. Okay. Who can kindly paste it on the front? Okay, very good. Wow, they find the missing piece. We can paste it on the missing figures. Wait, we can wait. This is the missing piece. Please look around pa. I think one of the figures na yun nakita si Dora. Please look around, look around. Yes, very good. What is the missing piece of figures? Very good. I will place it in the figures. Yes, and also this. Please, lumibad sa isang hagod sa front kay place ang pictures na ginapakita ni Dora. Understood? those shapes that have four sides. Are you ready? But before that, we need to, can you read our objectives? Here, our objectives. These, can you read? Yes. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify the different types of color captures. So, if you like rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, trapezoid. Very good. And now that you know the different types of quadrilaterals, what does it mean by quad? It has four. And latus means sides. So that is called quadrilaterals. Do you understand? Do you have any questions? How about clarifications? Wala gid na may mamangkot kung ano. Sure na. So if you can give me an example of a rhombus. Then the rhombus, one of the parallel sides and sides are all equal. Ano? Yes. Is sa kulintas na, may mga kulintas na guys nga ang E-shape is rhombus. Ano pa? Wala na. So, how about trapezoid? Hindi mo dami makita sa trapezoid, no? Ito makakita sa trapezoid. Yes, very good, Tom. Ang shape ng hat sa flower is trapezoid. How about the parallelogram? So, here's the opposite sides are parallel. Ano na siya? Nakikita ko ulit na ang shapes parallel. Wala ka. O how about the rectangle one? Oh, ang kabilit ko na rectangle. Very good. Ano pa? It is very bad to the rectangle. Ba, rectangle na ilulog. Ano pa? Very good. Kawaya ka. Very wise din yung mga grateful thoughts. Now, how about square? Can you give me an example of square? Yes? Very good. The diagonal is a square. Very good. What else? Your table is also square. Bilog nila yung table is square. Very good. Now, can we group your, I will group you into two. So, this would be, okay, one counting na lang or ako na, okay, let's count. Dito naman na mauna sa ulitin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So all the group 1, please proceed here, and all the group 2, please proceed there. Please double time. Okay. Please sit up straight because I'm going to read the directions of our activities today. Okay? So, what do you want to play? Line up or sing a song? Okay, sing a song. So, I will give an ears. So, this object will be the object that we were going to use to uh, sing relay. Sing relay. Hindi tawag sing relay, yung relay panawa na ano kan. Okay, mapili ta kanta, then if I said stop, ma-stop ang kanta. Pag kung una katuon sa amo nga object siya ang akong paminggoton or Here's your questions. Can you give me a quadrilaterals that you can see around our classrooms? Make it three. Another one. Another one. Let's give mabuhay clap to Johan because all his answers are correct. It's rectangle, square, and what is on the side? Maliit na ang trapezoid. You're being mataban at trapezoids. Now, let's give him a mabuhay clap. 1, 2, 3, mabuhay! Okay, now, sinasay nag-stop ko, think another one song. Ano naman yung gusto yung mga song, ha? O, ipasa niyo na. O, ano? Twinkle, twinkle, bahay twinkle. 1, 2, 3, bahay twinkle, kahit ang halamang ay sari-sari, sinamas at talong, sigarilyas at manok, sitaw, bataw. Stop! O, kasi luto na, yan, ginagawa mo. Okay. Say that. Stand up, Shane. Here's your questions. What is nadalawal ba ang show? Hinganin mo na rin na doar pag dito sa Miss Universe. So here's your questions. What is quadrilaterals? Or what is quadrilaterals? Yes, very good. Kinematic is explained. Let's give firework claps to Shane. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo, 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 woo. Very good. You take your seat now, Shane. So, do you want another song? I still have the questions here. One last song. Think about it. Anong kanta? Kanin nyo, ganun naman. Hindi tayo naman. Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. Pasa na to, Shane, sa inyong mahalin na. Okay, ready? Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above, you're so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Stop! Hoy, yung ito siya habang pwede ba na guitar sa mga object, okay? Please stand up as. Here's your questions. Give me the 6 types of quadrilaterals. Then, turn around kay Ari. Tulad daw, then spell it out. Very good! That's all ba? Ang give ano naman yun? Janisha clap? Let's give Janisha clap for our songs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now you may get your seat. Again, what is the 7 types of quadrilaterals? First is parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezoid, kite, ano pa? Square, rectangle. Very good. That is all clap our questions. So now that you know the different types of quadrilaterals, I have here a quiz for you. You may answer this one in 5 minutes. Please pass it on backwards. This one. I'm giving you 5 minutes to answer it. Okay? If you have any questions, just please raise your hands. 5 minutes.
Tusigan nyo kay 5 questions na pala.
Okay, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Please be quiet. Tapos na ng balala, sige na, 5 minutes lang. Are you done? Please raise your hand if you are done. Okay, mostly if you are done. Please hurry up.